Today I am showing you what's in my baking cabinet. Today's video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook, where you can eat better, spend less, and save money on your first trip to the grocery store with real recipes your family will love. Please visit us at livingonadime.com to grab your copy today. Today I am showing you guys my baking center. This is the section that you never see on the show, but that I actually use all of the time. For my baking center, I've got my flour and my sugar with measuring cups that I leave in there, 1 cup for flour, half a cup for sugar all the time. This mixer is not normally here. I normally use my hand mixer right there, but I'm testing a lot of recipes, so right now I have it up there. I always keep my measuring spoons right there, easy to grab. So what do I have in my baking center? All right, over here I have my mixing bowls. My big one's in the dishwasher right now, but I have the big mixing bowl that these smaller measuring cups sit in. I have my spices, everything I use for baking. So I've got cinnamon, the spray for the pans, yeast, baking soda, vanilla, vinegar, salt, regular yeast. This is rapid rise. This is regular yeast. Then I have my baking powder, cloves, all my baking spices, cloves, allspice, ginger, cinnamon, and baking cocoa right there. Then on the next shelf, I have all my corn syrups, dark and light. These nuts aren't normally here. Ellie threw them there. I don't know why she's got them there, but whatever. Then I have brown sugar, coconut, powdered sugar. This is some candy sprinkles. That back there is some sugar-free sugar substitute that I got that I didn't like, and I'm trying to figure out what to do. Then here I have, let me show you, more sprinkles. But in here I have all of my cookie cutters, my cinnamon candies for red Jell-O for Christmas, and other sprinkles. Then in here I have more sprinkles, eyeballs for gingerbread men, and more sprinkles. Got a good deal on those. Okay. Then up here, this little thing has all of my flavorings, like lemon flavoring, coconut flavoring, butter flavoring. This is a big butter flavoring for gluten-free, dairy-free cooking. This is Jell-O, not Jell-O, but gelatin. This is wheat flour that I don't normally use, shortening, and then my mixer. Now I will admit, this mixer drives me insane because the cord keeps flopping everywhere, but it works really well. And then right there, some gluten-free flour that I had made. Down here in this drawer, I have rolling pins and mixer beaters to go with the mixer. Of course, my Dining on a Dime cookbook and my pastry scraper. Now, all of this is right here in this one section. And I tell you, it takes me like literally 1 minute to whip up a batch of muffins or biscuits. Literally no time at all. But because I have everything right here, I can do it really quickly. And I don't have to walk, say hello dear, say hello, say hello. And I don't have to walk clear over here where my pantry is. There's a Buster Cam. Say hi, Buster. Yes, he's clanking away. Okay, so I don't have to go clear over here and get stuff because all my flour, everything is right there. Refrigerator, which is making weird noises, with eggs and all of that. The only thing that I don't have in here is oil. I have that over my stove, but I am gonna get a little syrup, like a Hungry Jack's short squatty syrup bottle, and put my oil in there, and then I will have it in there. So that is what my baking center looks like. I talk about it all the time. If you love our videos, would you please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment in the description below, do you have a baking center or not? I'm curious to see how many people have baking centers. So I always have these hanging up in my baking center because they're hilarious. Mike got this for me when we lived in Kansas. And then he got this when he came out to Colorado once and I didn't. And we were living in Kansas and we wanted to move to Colorado. We thought those were pretty funny.